Okay, so I've done the same thing with the dress. I've placed it on top of my base, and I'm going around with my blanket stitch. So it's just up and through, and I'm making little loops along the side. So you should be able to see the stitches here. They don't have to be super neat. Just do your best. I'll do a few more to demo. What our next steps are going to be. So once you've secured the dress all the way around, we'll move to our next portion. When you get to the wings, you can kind of bend them back so that you can see where you're working with your stitches. If your thread tangles, if your thread is getting twisted and tangly, take a quick break and then let the needle dangle off the edge of a table, or, just hold it in the air and let the needle dangle. It'll untangle the thread by using gravity. You can watch it spin. So here we go. To secure the dress to the face, we're going to do a running stitch straight through all the way to the wings. And running stitch is just up and down. You're going to be going through several layers of felt. This is just really slow. Take your time. And bend the wings back so that you can tie off your thread and it'll be hidden. Then you're gonna take a threaded needle and you're either going to put on the red hair bow, again with the running stitch, like you did with the heart, or you're gonna twist your pipe cleaner into a little circle. And squish it a little. And just secure the little halo. With a few loopy stitches. And tie off your thread. Whoops. And when you're all finished, give the thread a good knot. Double knot is fine. Surgeon's knot is fine. And trim the ends. And there we have it. This is what you'll be turning in to finish your ornament. Mrs. Frankie will put the hanging loop on it and everything will be turned in. Thank you girls for being so patient and working along with the video. If you need the instructions in words, please email me and I will get them to you as soon as I can. Other than that, have a great time with the project, and I hope this changes your attitude about sewing from here on out. We'll see you next